subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new 5G phone under Y series in China called Vivo Y73s. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y73s features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio and it supports HDR10. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 720 chipset paired with Mali G57MC3 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As for the camera, the Vivo Y73s supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear at the top left corner including LED flash. The triple rear camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with FunTouchOS 10.5 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4100 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. And additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161 by 74.04 by 7.73mm and it weighs around 171.3 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y73s has been priced in China at 1998 Chinese yuan and it is now available for purchase in the country in Silver Moon and Black Mirror color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y73s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.